Hey guys, I'm here to unbox my very first Facetory pack. Facetory is a subscription box where you can try out all K-beauty, Korean beauty sheet masks, cult favorites, and different brands. Um, you can get the Forever Fresh box where they send you 4 sheet masks and they curate them for you, and customize them and put them all together for you. Or you can get the 7 Luxe box where you get 7 sheet masks. I love face masks. I love facials. I'm a skincare junkie. But for the past 2 or 3 years, I've just fallen in love with sheet masks because you get more of the product into your skin at a quicker time, faster paced time to get better results. So I got 7 for the price of 4 because I had a coupon code, and I believe they gave me one in this pack, so I'll share it with you guys. This is how it comes in this kind of like, mailing envelope pack like that, and it says happy masking. Really cute. And then they have a different theme every month. This month's theme, of course, was the month of love for Valentine's Day because it's February and it's glow from your heart. This little card is like an introduction card that you can give to your friends or family. I guess they want you to share it and share the love and positivity of the month. It says you make my heart glow, and then it has some coupon codes on the back that I'll share with you guys, and they end on March 31st. But even if you don't use them, they usually have great deals and codes for you being a first time subscriber, so you guys would probably not need to worry about that. Just sign up with your email and then boom, you'll be good. On the back it says, thanks for being a glowing member of the Facetory fam, blah blah blah. This month we chose the phrase glow from your heart to promote not only a glowing face but also a glowing heart, which is really cute. And then it just says, wishing a lovely February from us, the Facetory team. Okay, in every box or package they do send a card. This is my favorite part of it because it explains, if you're new, I'm familiar with sheet masks, but if you're not, it explains to you the sheet mask 101, like basically how to use them. Always, of course, wash your face, and if you use toner, you can put your toner on. I don't use toner, but just cleanse your face, wash your face, put the sheet mask on. Most sheet masks, I would say, leave on for 15 to 25 minutes. They say from 10 to 25. Some say on the back, some aren't in English, so you have no idea, and you can go to, Google or look it up, or go to Facetory's marketplace on their website, and they usually have every single mask, and then it'll go more in depth of how to use it and what it's for. But on the card, they also have an explanation of what to do when you remove the mask, and you don't rub the essence in or solution or serum in after. Make sure you pat it in with your hands. And usually your skin will absorb it in really well, but just pat it in until it's fully absorbed, and then go in with your serum or moisturizer, whatever you put on your face after, eye cream, etc. And that's it. And they have the names of the masks, little description on the cards, the retail price, and the key ingredients and benefits. So I'm just going to go through and show you what they sent me. So these are all of the masks right here. I tried this one out last night because I had some breaking out on my cheek. I had an allergic reaction or something on my face, so I wanted to get rid of it. It's called the AOL Pore and Spot Care Mask. It looks like that. Really cute. Another thing about K-Beauty, the packaging is usually always so adorable and beautiful, or really just really beautiful. Super cutesy, but just amazing results. Like, my skin has never looked so healthy as it has lately. But anyway, this says, say bye-bye to your unwanted blemishes with this AO Pore and Spot Care Mask. Your skincare troubles will be on the road to fade away as the amazing effects of this mask sink in. So the key ingredients, forgive me if I butcher some of these words, Ulmus davidina root extract for moisturizing and high levels of hydration, Pereira lobata root to brighten your overall skin tone, and Melaleuca alternifolia, which is a tea tree leaf extract for acne, spots, blackheads, and antiseptic properties. This one is $3.50. So that's the retail price. And like I said, if you go onto Facetory and look their masks up on their marketplace, just buy them individually or little kits and stuff that they have. So this would only be $3.50. So moving on, this next one, and I love animal masks from different brands. I've used them, but I've never used this brand. It's called the BRTC Animal Mask, and it's the sheep one. Super cute. See, it looks really cute, but the properties and results that it gives are simply amazing. And this mask retails for $3.50 also. It says it will provide brighter and smoother, youthful looking skin, allow your skin to soften up just like a fluffy sheep. Key ingredients are goat milk, milk protein, and evening primrose. Helps soothe dry skin, reduce fine lines, great for dry sensitive skin, has alpha hydroxy such as lactic acid to remove dead skin cells from your skin surface for younger, smoother looking skin. So it also kind of exfoliates you out, or the surface of your skin, so that's good. It's so adorable. I think I'm going to try this one out sometime this week maybe. The next one is called the Look at Me Vegetable Bunny Face Mask for energizing and awakening for all skin types. This one retails for $3. Show your skin some attention. This mask will be sure to energize and refresh your fatigued skin, so good for those tired days. Has Hordeum vulgare seed to help support skin's barrier, radiance, soft and healthy skin, brightens skin tone, reduces dark spots, providing hydration. Has green tea for anti-inflammatory, and it says this sheet mask smells mildly like carrots, which I think is pretty cool. I like things that smell really good, like spa-like, but natural. So it'll be fun to try them all out. The next one is, this one seems like it's more on the luxe side. They do have ones that are, they're all affordable, but they have brands that are more luxury skincare, and you can tell. And I think this is one of the ones that is more on the luxury side. It's from Echo Beyond. It's called the Intensive Ampoule Ceramide Mask. I love the packaging on this too. And it says, don't be a stranger and become best buddies with the wonderful ingredient ceramide. 50% of our skin's natural protective barrier is made up of ceramide, making it a very effective ingredient for our skin. This has niacinamide, which is for improving enlarged pores, uneven skin tone, resurfacing skin. Has sodium hyaluronate, which is an amazing ingredient, kind of derivative from hyaluronic acid, which is super hydration, suppleness, smoothness, keeping you looking younger, helping blemishes, helping to reduce fine lines, and improving the appearance if your skin is super dry. So this has lots of benefits to it. The next one, or the next three that I'm going to show you, were all the extras that I got for having the coupon code. And these three, I believe, seem kind of more on the luxury end too, like high end. And if you do get extras, then they're not on the monthly card. You can just, like I said one more time, just look it up on the marketplace on Facetory site to get a more in-depth explanation of how long to leave it on, or what skin type it's for, etc. So this one is called the Royal Jelly Firming Mask from Sesamis. And on the back, it's not in English at all except for the website and the ingredients. So I'm going to look it up before I use it to see how long I should leave it on. But usually I leave sheet masks on for about 20 minutes, the longest, depending, unless it says longer. So I'll just have to find out how long to leave this one on. Otherwise I'll leave it on for like 20 minutes. And of course, you guys know I love honey, because duh. And this is really cute packaging too. The next one, I've heard about this brand. I don't know if I've tried their masks before, but I've seen them on YouTube. I've seen them online. This is S&P Shining Nature Purity Jelly Vita Firming Toning Mask. So cute. I want to try this one on Wednesday because that's usually my midweek facial day. So I might try this one on Wednesday. But it's made with Tencel cellulose fiber, kind of like the BioBell sheet mask, so it adheres better to your skin, making you get better results from the solution. This says, vitamin A and jiggling high concentration jelly essence that penetrates refreshingly into skin to create flawless and smooth skin. Leave on for 10 to 20 minutes and then take it off. Really cute. The last one is called the Hydrolyzed Conchiolin Protein Pearl Essence, the best sheet fabric used, by Lindsay. Intensive treatment, high moisturizing mask pack consisting of pearl congealing protein components, which help cell activity and restore the rough skin quickly, and vitamin components that improve skin transparency. So this looks super luxurious. And on the back it says to leave on for 30 minutes. So this is like a longer treatment, probably more intense, and gives you super soft, smooth, amazing results. So if you want to sign up for Facetory, look down below. I'll leave all the information. I'll leave the links to each and every different mask in case you want to try out one of these like by itself. And yeah, sign up for Facetory. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.